Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So you can use something, for an example, like a soft brush. It can do the job the best, and of course you won't damage the port because it's just soft and it's not metallic. Now, what you guys want to do next is test your mic in a voice recorder app. So you guys can choose either the voice recorder app right here or just record a video with your camera. So make sure that you allow to record the audio, click allow, and here click on the mic. Now it's recording, as you guys can see. Let me stop talking for a second. And the line goes straight, so that means it's not picking any sound. Now it is. So this is how you guys can check if your microphone is working. And now I'll discard it. Okay, it started another one. And now what you guys want to do is go over and restart your phone. It's very important. So press the power button and the volume down button. Keep on holding them until you see the menu pop up. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software. So you need to go over to the settings. Now in the settings, as you guys can see, if you have an update available, you will see it right here. So I have an update available, but if you do not have it, then scroll down to software update. As you guys can see, I do have an update, but I do not have 30% on my phone to continue it. So basically, that's how you guys can easily update your phone. You just go to software update almost at the bottom and then click here. It will automatically start downloading and installing it. Your phone will restart a couple of times and you will have the newest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.